nail friends and welcome to the video. In today's video we're going to be swatching the wedding collection from Glitterbels as well as just 3 other colors that we have into the nail throne. So if you guys are interested in watching these swatch, which trust me you will be, they're so nice, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of the new dab dishes. This one's going to be called Pink Dot. Anyways, I'm going to be using Pink Dot dab dish for the swatches. And some monomer. I prefer these lids, Mark. I hope other people like them too.
Good.
Yeah.
Talk about that.
Yeah, I changed the lids, and I feel like you're going to like them better. But I'm also going to get you guys the sifters if you really, really want them. Just let us know. We're going to be swatching the wedding collection. Okay, I'm going to go with something borrowed as the first one. So this is the wedding collection. Look at that. Super pretty. This is kind of, well, I don't know actually. I've never actually seen any of these yet. So, let's swatch and then we'll do a glitter smear. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's got like iridescent glitter in it, blues, some chunky glitters, see-through. I think a lot of this collection is see-through because it's a wedding collection, so it's like really pretty and dainty. Ooh. Okay, that's what something borrowed looks like. That's really pretty. I really like the chunky glitters in it. It's kind of subtle, not too much. Here, let's do a glitter smear. Ooh, that's so pretty.
You say you don't want to do it in 2 boxes?
No, please do it in one if you can.
I'll see if I can do it in the biggest box.
So here's what that looks like up close. This next one's called Something Blue. The other one kind of reminded me of Something Blue. This kind of looks like Michaela. It's very pretty. Ooh. Wow. That is so pretty. It's like a chunkier, bigger version of Opal Crush and Michaela and like all the good stuff mixed. Okay, glitter smear. So you guys can see all that. And you can see all those beautiful iridescent glitters that shine blue. That's why it's called Something Blue. It's kind of like a hidden blue glitter in there. The next one is called Eternity. This one has gold hearts in it, or like rose gold hearts. This is really pretty. I'm excited to see this one. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Not only does it have those like rosy gold, kind of like coppery, beautiful hearts, it has all this stunning iridescent glitter in it. This is so pretty. So here's like a glitter smear so you guys can see. Oh my gosh. Those hearts. That's so cute. Okay, the next one is called I Do. Oh wow. This kind of looks like it could be a great alternative for Rainbow Crush if it's out of stock. That's super pretty. I dropped it. Shoot. Whoa. Okay, that's what that looks like. Like I said, this would be a great alternative if you really want rainbow crushings out of stock. This is really, really nice. Ooh. It's like Rainbow Crush, but it also has like smaller pink iridescent kind of chunky glitters in it. They have that like matte shine to them. I don't know, you know what I mean? They're not see-through. Okay, next one's called Marry Me. All of these are gonna be super beautiful. Oh, that's got that like pinky purple shine to it. Ugh, but it's got some like hidden stars. I was like, I wonder what I'm gonna find in here. And some beautiful shards. Wow, you guys are gonna love this collection. This reminds me of like Jupiter, but different, obviously. I don't know. It's very pretty. I really like the shards and like glitter in it. Glitter smear of Marry Me. I'm gonna grab more just to see if I can find more. There was a star on, but I don't see any more of them. Maybe I need to spin it or shake it. That's what that looks like. That is so pretty. Next one is Garter. So let's see. Another beautiful glittery iridescent glitter. These are so nice. They're packed with glitter. So shiny. Sorry, my camera's blurry. Bam! A smear will be the way to show you guys what this really looks like. Ooh. It's like shards of glass. That is so sparkly. Okay, next we have Cut the Cake. This one's like a fun one. I can tell it's got some colors in it. Pink and blue it looks like. Oh, cute. It's got like little hearts, butterflies, and lots of iridescent glitter. So you guys can see what's in this. The butterflies, the hearts, so cute. Okay, this next one's called Together Forever. I'm excited to see this one. I think it's gold. Oh no, this one's silver. Ooh. This one looks like it's gonna be really shiny. Boop. There you go. Silver iridescent, so pretty. Okay, and then here's what that smear looks like. Whoa! Whoa, 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 that's so sparkly.
I lost two and I'll go grab them. You keep going.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll keep going and I'll burn them out here.
Okay. Up next we have First Dance. Ooh, this looks like it has little stars in it. I can see that already. Whoa. This one is gonna be nice. So sparkly. Look at the stars in that. Oh my god. This is gonna be an amazing, like, New Year's glitter. Oh my gosh. Look at this glitter, guys. Imagine doing this over like galaxy colors, like blue and purple, and then this on top to make your galaxy stars. That would be so pretty. It's magical. For better or for worse. For better or worse is the next one. Ooh, pretty. The candy collection has these really cool round circles, and I can see that this has them too. See? Oh, I love those round circles. And that's what that looks like. You guys see that shine, that purple iridescent shine? So stunning. See, like the rain?
Yes. Daddy.
Doesn't that look so weird? The like glitters show up yellow on this white. So you probably not want to do that over white, or else you're gonna get that yellow. It's called a perfect day. So this is the goldish one I wanted to take a look at. Yes. It's got like rose gold in it. I love it. This is like the last one, kind of. No, it's not. This is like the silvery one. What's that one called? First Dance? But gold. And it has hearts. Little hearts. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love this one. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you guys is called Dainty Dove. I think this is the last one we have, but of the collection. And I have 3 more that aren't in this collection. This one was really pretty. It's just like an iridescent fine glitter. So if you guys like angel wings or stuff like that with the fine glitter, that's what Dainty Dove is like. Just kind of like a medium fine glitter. It's not as fine as some of our fine glitters. And then let's smear this so you guys can see all that shine in there and all that glitter. It's just the one size, so I accidentally got like an old piece on there, but this is just the one size. Whee! So sparkly. Okay, we have 3 more that aren't in that collection. This one's called Kiss Me. There's 3 more we have to put on the site. This looks like it's gonna be fun. They've got like really big hearts in them. See, like hearts, big hearts for encapsulating. These are for encapsulating, obviously. You want to encapsulate these. Put them on the nail and then encapsulate and clear. Because they're such big hearts and stuff. I like these see-through hearts with the holes in them too. I think this is part of a Valentine's Day collection that they have. Cute. It's kind of like a layered heart look, or you could just kind of pick out your hearts if you want to use the same hearts on another finger or whatever. So sparkly. Look at all the hearts with the little holes in them. I love that. Hey, look, there's little kisses in there. Oh, I didn't notice that. That's so cute. Look, little lips. Adorable. Okay, Be My Valentine is the next one. This is like gold, blue, and pink. And it's got hearts, glitter, and everything in it as well. Big hearts. So fun. And the last one is called Such a Flirt. I actually spilled this today, so it's only half full. Sad. So this is like the last ones with the hearts. Just different colors and stuff. This one has little butterflies in it. Oh, and like really small hearts. Oh, so cute, look at that. Look at the tiny heart. That's really cute with the hearts and the butterflies. I like how that layered look it looks. Close up. Okay, so here's them laid out. Which one is your guys' favorite? They're all so nice, obviously, because they're beautiful glitter. But, so I'm just gonna point to them so you can remember. This one is Something Borrowed, Something Blue, Eternity, I Do, Marry Me, Garter, Cut the Cake, Together Forever, First Dance, For Better, For Worse, A Perfect Day, Dainty Dove, and then we have Kiss Me, Be My Valentine, and Such Flirt. So, which one is your favorite? Let me know down below. I would have to say I really love this one, and this one, and this one. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to check out our second channel, which is called Small Shop Secrets, which is behind the scenes of the Nail Throne. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys let me know down below which one was your favorite, and if there's anything you like here, you can get it at my shop, nailthrone.com. I will link it down below, and make sure you use my discount code, Sarah's Nail Secrets, to save 10%. As well as check out our spring cleaning section. We have a big sale section going on right now, so make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!